Hello and welcome to PPP Systems Limited. We are a supplier of software and hardware for the manufacture of number plates for use in the UK. A new British standard for number plates has been announced. This new BSAU145e standard will come into force on 1st of September 2021. The new standard can be used as of now, but it's not in force until September. We have developed an online builder where you can design 145e compliant number plates, download a PDF of the plates, and print either to acetate or refractive. Let's take a look at the builder. And here we have all the settings for the number plates you might want to make up. And really the first thing you need to do is put your bottom line in. And your bottom line is, of course, your identifier that you're required by law to enter. So you can choose a color, size, and a type style. So we'll just go for something simple, 4 millimeters, and we'll just put in my bottom line. WA67 upset. Now what we need to do is put in BS mark. Now the BS mark is obviously BSAU145e. However, in front of that you need to put in who your supplier is. So let's say your supplier is PPP Systems. So you'd put PPP BSAU145e. Right, so now that we've got those basics entered, let's choose a plate size. So there are just some popular ones in here. You know, there's plenty of other plate size, but these are pretty much the main ones that are in use. So standard and oversized rear plates. Then you need to choose whether you're printing to film, acetate, or reflective. And with acetate, it'll print negatively. With reflective, it'll print positively. Okay, let's put a reg in. And you don't need to worry too much about the space because this is just going to make it legal. So when you click Preview Design, up comes your plate, my bottom line, the BS mark over here, and you're now able to download the PDF and you'll see there we have it. I can download here, but you can see that the file is in reverse and ready to be printed. If you had chosen reflective, and then downloaded, this time it's positive for printing directly onto the reflective material. There are some other options you can put, so you can put some side badges, and as you know, the Euro GB no longer can be used in the UK, but there's a nice selection here, and let's choose that one, and there's our preview, and again download that, and there's our badge, and you can see the quality of the files, and so easy to use. Borders are a bit trickier because a border can no longer be within 10 millimeters of the registration. So due to the printing limitations of a lot of machines, and particularly when you're sticking the plate together, you need to have at least a 5 millimeter border around the plate. So really and truthfully, you're restricted to 1 millimeter on a standard plate. And there's bottom line in, BS mark, and again when we click the download PDF, there's our file, and you can see the borders there. Using larger plates, fine, you can use thicker borders, but that's basically it. And once you've downloaded it, it's easy enough to print from. We do offer a print server that you can buy, which allows you to print directly. So let me show you that quickly. The print server is basically a little computer called a Raspberry Pi. I'm sure you've probably heard of one. And installed on that is a direct driver. So you connect it into your broadband, you connect your printer to the Pi, or if the printer is in the network, you don't need to do that. And then instead of having a download button, you will also get a print directly button. So when we preview, this time we get print to OKC 531. Obviously, depending upon what printer you might be using. But the advantage of this is when you click print, the file goes straight to the printer and prints without you having to download anything. And with the print server, you also get additional options with the for the software. And that's it. Now, if you'd like to take advantage of this online software, please email us. Our email address is down here, or text the mobile number, or phone the mobile number. But if you're going to email, all we want to know is who you are, just so that we have some record. We're not looking for money from you. You're free to use this software, and certainly the print server would be of, you'll find great use as you don't need to download, and it's reasonably inexpensive. Anyway, thank you for your time.